Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the MSI Prestige 15 laptop. Now this is a laptop which is from MSI and it's actually geared towards creators. It's designed for people who are YouTubers, content creators, photographers and the likes. In fact, if you're even a gamer, you could consider this machine for yourself. But before we get into who it's good for, what it does well and what it does not, or all of that aside, let's just quickly go ahead and unbox the laptop and see what it is what you get inside the box when you purchase this machine. So it's actually a fairly elegant packaging. That's something that's to be said to credit of MSI. You take the lid off and you get this really nice slick looking laptop. There is that, and then underneath the laptop itself we have just the the standard quick start guide and the user manual. So you have the MSI Prestige 15 laptop. Additionally, you also get a second box. This is where you presumably have all the power, so let's just go ahead and take that out. This is actually a 90-watt power supply. It's a type C connector over here, so that's really good, because what this means is that you can actually use this particular power plug, charger, whatever you may want to call it, to actually use it with multiple devices. You can charge your MSI laptop with it. If you have an Android smartphone that charges over USB PD, you can use this to charge your phone as well, and any other accessory that you may have that charges over USB-C. Then you also have a power port connector. So essentially this is just a cable to basically take the adapter and be able to plug it into a wall socket. It's surprisingly minimal in terms of what you get inside the box, but it's also fairly standard. Now the MSI Prestige 15, it's a 15-inch laptop, and you get a choice of anywhere between a 4K screen or a full HD type display. You have options of CPUs you can choose, storage variants and all of that, but we'll get into that at a later stage. So this is actually just a very quick and a very simple look at what's inside the box of the MSI Prestige 15. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.